Hi everyone. Welcome to this presentation of a highly detailed model of the USS Essex, launched in 1799. In this video, we showcase a meticulously crafted replica of one of the earliest frigates of the United States Navy. Every part of the ship has been captured with exceptional precision and shown from multiple angles, offering a comprehensive view of the model's intricate details. Whether you're an experienced model builder or just getting started, this footage can serve as a valuable reference for creating your own version of the Essex. The USS Essex was a 32 to 36 gun sailing frigate that served with distinction during several key naval conflicts, including the Quasi-War with France, the First Barbary War, and the War of 1812. She was one of the first American warships to sail into the Pacific Ocean and famously engaged British forces in a daring campaign that took her as far as the coast of South America. The story of the USS Essex left such a mark on naval history that it inspired not only historians but also some of the greatest writers of the 19th and 20th centuries. In Sketch 5th of the Encantadas, published in 1854, Herman Melville recounts a haunting episode involving the Essex during her Pacific campaign in the War of 1812. The ship, having rounded Cape Horn, ventured into the remote waters of the Galapagos Islands in search of British whalers. There, she became embroiled in a prolonged and frustrating chase with a mysterious British vessel that continually appeared and vanished among the desolate isles. Melville describes how the Essex's crew, growing weary and tense, believed the British ship to be deliberately toying with them, always just out of reach. The pursuit turned into a psychological game, with the Essex's sailors scanning the horizon daily, hoping for a chance to engage their elusive enemy. Yet time after time, the British ship disappeared into the vast emptiness of the Pacific, leaving only a sense of isolation and suspense. This episode, as Melville tells it, captures the eerie stillness of the Galapagos, the loneliness of extended sea voyages, and the emotional toll such fruitless pursuits could take on a crew. Though Melville takes a literary approach, the story is rooted in the Essex's real-life mission to disrupt British whaling operations in the South Seas, a mission that made her the first U.S. warship to conduct extended operations in the Pacific Ocean. The dramatic nature of this campaign would later inspire another great writer, Patrick O'Brian. In his novel The Far Side of the World, he adapted the story of the Essex's hunt for British whalers, reimagining it through the eyes of his fictional captain Jack Aubrey. O'Brian's version preserves the tension, remoteness, and naval cunning of the original events, bringing the legacy of the Essex to a whole new generation of readers. Model builders will find many fascinating features in this ship: her elegant hull shape, the arrangement of her gun decks, and the complex rigging typical of late 18th century naval design. Studying this model also offers a glimpse into the craftsmanship and maritime technology of the early United States Navy. We hope this detailed look at the USS Essex inspires your own modeling projects and deepens your appreciation for historic ships like this one. Thanks for watching.